Hello, welcome to my video. Today we're at my property. Oh yeah, this is our property. So the whole entire property. This is our whole entire property. That's our car there. Right now we're just looking for like screws and nails and because we did find a little couple up there. Yeah. This looks really fun. Okay, I'm in the shop right now. The hot chocolates from Starbucks, Pikachu, and my Pokemon card. My hot chocolate is so good. Yeah. I did call Pikachu earlier. Before I got here. Yeah. We're just playing games on Roblox. Like, Evade, Adopt Me. And they spill hot chocolate. I'm gonna show you guys all my Pokemon cards. Yeah, and some of them are fake, so. Yeah, and I have like so many Pokemon cards. I love Pokemon cards. I have more Pokemon cards than this. Ignore the background noises. In the car, I was like organizing my Pokemon cards. Yeah, that's the end of my Pokemon cards. And over here, I have like other collector's cards too. It's like really messy in here. But yeah. Oh yeah, and I have this like squishy thing on my Pokemon cards. This is like I like squishy stuff. Bracelets. Yes, and I have cheese and sundew right now on my wrist, like a little business, like yeah. Hot chocolate is finished. I drank all of my hot chocolate.
Wait, you can see
I drank my hot chocolate like while I was editing a little bit.
What's the difference? I said I'm afraid of ghosts.
We have like this little room in the property shed, but we're actually gonna try and make like a little cabin so we can like stay here for a couple days. I'm gonna leave my Pokemon cards here. I mean, if my dad lets me, but I don't know if he'll let me or not. But yeah, I don't really know what I want to do right now, so I'm just gonna play like, you know, Akinator. Ignore my time limit. It's annoying. Ugh. I'm gonna do Sundew from Wings of Fire.
We caught bugs and frogs and feelings. Wait, did I just say that? Sorry. Yeah, you should be. We caught bugs and toads and feelings. I'll be your friend no matter what. Losing my mind going back. Day that I die, you and I can't forget. Don't regret what we had.
No.
Would it be better if we never met each other, never stayed together?
Wait.
Just stick around.
Yes.
I'll let you know. Nice to meet you.
How does the monster move? Oh my god. Oh my god, how?